Random forest algorithm. Imagine you have a big decision to make, but you are not sure what to choose. So, you decide to ask for advice from several different people. Each person gives you their opinion, and then you make your decision based on the majority opinion. In the world of machine learning, the random forest algorithm works similarly. Building a group of experts, it assembles a group of decision-making experts, which are like a bunch of individual decision trees. Each tree is like a person providing an opinion. Collective decision-making. When a new data point comes in, each tree gives its prediction. In the case of classification, it's the class it thinks the data point belongs to, and in the case of regression, it's the numerical value it predicts. Voting or averaging, the algorithm then takes a vote, in the case of classification, or averages the predictions in the case of regression from all the trees and selects the final result based on the majority opinion for classification or the average prediction for regression. This approach helps to make more accurate predictions than relying on just one decision tree, as it accounts for a variety of perspectives and prevents overfitting, making decisions based on noise in the data. Random forest is widely used because it tends to be more robust and reliable, making it a popular choice for various machine learning tasks.